Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And if this is your first time joining us, thank you for watching. And today we have something special from our place. We have two items here actually, guys. So let's just get right into the video. And this box, this is a nice size box here. So let's get this open to see what it contains. Okay. All right. Now, it's getting very, very close to the holiday season, guys, and I totally needed another pot. So let's get this open to see exactly what it is. And I didn't feel like doing a lot of research on which pot to buy. So I just went ahead and went back to what I know is good. I really appreciate the quality of our place pots and pans. So I went ahead and just ordered this because I knew that the quality is going to be good. These are very heavy pots, pans, and lids and accessories. So I went ahead and just grabbed it. And so it looks like this comes with this is the scrubber. It's more like it is a loafer sponge for your pots and pans. It reminds me of that really larger size loafer sponge for exfoliating your skin, but this one is for the pot, and it's safe, no scratches. Okay, and then now make sure you're reading all your little pamphlets, the directions. It's going to tell you what the pan is about, how to care for it, a lot of different things you can do, and how to keep it clean. And yeah, so read on both sides. You got lots of good information and even a recipe, guys. This one is coming with a white bean soup recipe. It gives you directions on everything you need and how to make it. And this is that really nice blue salt color. So this is a nice color. And so let's take a look here. This looks like, okay, yeah, okay, so this is the spoon. This is your stir spoon that you're going to be using to stir your delicious creations. And here is the 5-quart pan, the Dutch oven. So we're going to just take a look at everything, read everything, guys, because especially when you first opening your box. And this is the steamer and braiser. And put your vegetables on top with just a little bit of water, and you'll be just fine. Okay. These are very heavy, very well made, guys. That's why I say I didn't want to do more research. I just wanted to go with what I know and order this really heavy pot. These are like, they're pretty much cast iron, very heavy. And then they have this nice bottom on there to distribute the heat evenly. So this was a no-brainer buying this pot, guys, because you know, with the holiday seasons coming up, you're going to be cooking all of these dishes. And take a look at this. Read what it says on here. Gives you more information. I just noticed this. All right. Okay. Yeah, so definitely want to make sure you are reviewing everything in the box. And that's it. Okay, moving right along. So yes, I'll be able to make a lot of creations out of this. And this, this is heavy, but the material of it doesn't seem like it's going to be scratching the bottom of the pan, but it is heavy, but it's like a protective type of material. And then you have the opening for if you want to be pouring things or straining things. You can use that area right there. And also this is where you can, if you want to leave the spoon in there, that's also an opening for that. Okay. All right, just kind of, yeah, there you go. That's the little pour spout. And that's where you actually can lay the spoon and use that little opening in the top, the pan, the lid there. There you go. Now that's going to fit right in there much better. And that's it. Okay. So there you go. With that, that's beautiful. It fits. Okay, guys, now let's take a look at the this optional feature. This is the fry deck. It's called the fry deck because your Dutch oven can definitely be turned into a deep fryer. And that's why I purchased this. The fry deck is an extra accessory. And I purchased the fry deck because I knew that if you do deep frying of, let's say, like your fish, if you have like fish Friday, or you want to do some shrimp, and this is made out of the same cast iron heavy material as the pans and their pots. And then look on the directions and information for the fry deck. Get all that knowledge about what you have there, and that way you know how to take care of your wonderful creations. Because guys, these pots are not cheap, but you get what you pay for, and they are very good quality. Now these pans, they are going for, I've seen them for $165, but if you order once or twice from our place, you will get coupons and different offers. So I actually had got a great deal on this, and this is nice. It looks like you get, now these are large size chopsticks, so these are really the ones for cooking and getting down in the pot and stirring things up. So I know you can use these to eat with, but these the large size, they're larger and they're much thicker than the smaller size chopsticks that you would normally get for just eating your regular meals, like say for the ones that you get with your carry out. So yeah, so these do very well. Just practice makes perfect, guys. So just use your chopsticks to stir your food, and yeah, you'll get good at it. It takes a while, but you'll get good at it, guys. Okay, and this is very special. This 5-quart Dutch oven with steamer, strainer, along with the fry deck accessory, which is extra. But guys, with this heavy, very well built pot here with this strainer and all, this is going to be lasting forever. Because I mean, I've had pots that cost like maybe a third of this, and I still have them. So you know that these, you can pretty much pass these down because they're very heavy cast iron, but they're very good quality and non-stick. So not like the regular black cast iron. Those are not non-stick, and you have to make sure you have them well oiled when you're cooking, and so that you know your food doesn't stick to the black pots. But that's why I like the Our Place pans, because I do like cast iron cookware, and so you know I'm totally loving the non-stick. So yeah, so just check out everything, and this is how you place this on the side. You're gonna be as you're taking your chicken or fish or shrimp or whatever, you lay it on the side here, and then you know, it's gonna drip down into the oil in the pan, and then everything's gonna be just great. So yeah, and that's pretty much everything that comes with it. Now the lid is not gonna go on with the fry deck in place, so you do have to take the fry deck off to get the lid on properly. And yeah, and it cooks very well. And yeah, so that I just wanted to show you this lovely purchase. So guys, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the description box below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And you have a great rest of your day.